Are you using ChatGPT the right way? Most beginners only scratch the surface, but with a few simple tips, you can write faster, learn quicker, and become more productive. In this video, I'll share the best ChatGPT tips and tricks every beginner should know. Welcome to AI Simplified. Today, I'll show you practical ChatGPT tips that can help you study, work, create content, and save time. Let's get started. The quality of ChatGPT's answer depends on the quality of your prompt. A vague prompt usually gives a general answer. Be specific. Include details like the topic, audience, length, and format to get more useful results. Adding context helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you need. ChatGPT can write emails, summarize documents, create study notes, and even generate to-do lists. You can also ask ChatGPT to explain difficult topics in simple language. Instead of asking one question at a time, let ChatGPT help you organize your work and study schedule. If the first answer isn't exactly what you want, don't start over. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite it, shorten it, or make it more professional. You can also ask ChatGPT to simplify complex topics or provide step-by-step explanations. Think of ChatGPT as a conversation. Keep refining your prompts until you get the result you need. One common mistake is trusting every answer without checking it. ChatGPT can make mistakes, so always verify important facts. Use ChatGPT as a helpful assistant, but confirm information when accuracy is important. Add your own ideas and personal style to AI-generated content. This makes your work more unique and valuable. Here are a few bonus prompts you can try. Summarize this article. Create a weekly study plan. Write a professional email. Brainstorm YouTube video ideas. Explain this concept with examples. Today, you learned how to write better prompts, use ChatGPT for daily tasks, improve responses, and avoid common beginner mistakes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to AI Simplified for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Comment below with your favorite ChatGPT tip or share a prompt that works well for you. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next AI Simplified video.